Starlink is about to become a factory install option for some RVs. Hi, I'm Andy with the Mobile Internet Resource Center. Thor is a huge player in the RV space and they own several major RV manufacturers and brands. Thor just announced that they have partnered with Starlink to provide factory-installed Starlink systems for several of Thor's brands. This includes Tiffin, Jayco, Entegra Coach, and Airstream, at least initially. In the announcement, Thor stated that this would be a factory option that customers of new RVs could get, and that customers who exercise this option will also get a credit for a free month of the RV Starlink service, which currently costs $135. This comes on top of last year when Winegard also partnered with Starlink to provide aftermarket and OEM Starlink solutions as well as customer support. So we've seen that Starlink is moving heavily into the RV market. They're partnering with two of the biggest RV companies out there, Winegard and Thor, to bring Starlink systems to the RV market and RV customers. And we expect this trend to continue with more options for factory installed Starlink systems as well as aftermarket systems coming over the next year. So if you're interested in this kind of content and you want more details, including insider details, you can consider joining our membership program and becoming a mobile internet aficionado, or MIA. And you can get more information about this as well as Starlink in a mobile environment and Starlink for RVs at our website. Thanks for listening.
These videos are brought to you by our premium members, our mobile internet aficionados. They make it possible for us to track this news and create these videos. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel, or better yet, consider becoming a member yourself.